Hello, in this video I will show you how to get the linear regression line, also figure out how to find out the outlier, find the equation without the outliers in this question right here. So what you do is first you have to create the list of this one right here. So you can do right here, you can do x equals c, that parenthesis, and then you copy the list x right here, and then you paste in here. And then the next one you're going to do y equal c, and then you're going to have copy this code right here, and then you're going to paste in here. Yes. And when you have this one, then you can make the scatter plots for this. Okay, so you're going to do here, you're going to do plots, and you do x comma y. So you have this, and you plot this one. So in order to find the outlier, yes, you can use the formula, but it kind of more complicated, but you look at the graph and you can see that's better. Okay, so we're going to evaluate this one to see. So you see the scatter plot right here. So all the point is right here, you see that, but except this one right here. So this one definitely an outlier, it's far away from the group. And then you look at this one here, so around like negative 100 to 0 point something right here. We can go back to the data looking for which one have something look like that. So it look like this one right here, right? So you can see here easier. So this here is light up here easy to see than down here. It's kind of hard to see if the one here. So it have the table right here to see. So this would be your outlier, right? So you copy this one right here and you see it. But if all of them get together, then you say no, right? So this here, you're gonna put the outlier at the point. So you're gonna put the parenthesis right here, and you put the comma between two coordinates, and then you have like this. So that would be your outlier, right? And then they ask for the linear regression without the outlier and with the outlier. So I'm gonna do the with outlier first because we're already here. So make it thing easier. So over here, you're gonna type in over here, you're gonna do linear regression model. And remember, we do linear regression model, you're gonna do the y first, okay? And then you do the tilde x, yeah. So this one will give you the regression model right here, right? So this is your equation. You're gonna copy this one right here, right? So this will be your y-intercept, and this is your x that I wrote right here, intercept, and then x. So that's a coefficient, that is the slope. So you're gonna type this one in here. This one is with the outlier. So I'm gonna put here, you're gonna do y equal that, and you're gonna put this here 0.5 something. So after 3305 0 right here. So this one you're gonna do over here, you do plus x. That would be your equation right there. And now you're gonna do without the outlier, right? So we're gonna go over here. We remember this one will be your outlier, right? So you go over there, you're gonna remove that. Yeah. So we're gonna go over here, negative 1.02. So I'm gonna remove this point right here. Okay. So I remove this, and I'm remove to it down right here. So you're gonna remove that. Approximately the right location. Okay. So if you do wrong, it's gonna remove wrong thing, and it would be incorrect. Okay, so you have to approximately right here, you don't go somewhere else. Okay, so I'm gonna evaluate again, and you see, remember earlier we have the point right here. Now we do it, we shouldn't see this point anymore. Okay, and then the equation would be different. Right, so you see now the point is like that. So the scatter plot now much different than the one you see before, right? So see that is here. So this will be your new equation without the outlier. So you're gonna post this right here. Okay, you put this one right here. So do y again equal it's supposed to be y hat, but because over here they don't have that, so we have to choose whatever one they have in here. Okay, this one I have to go back over here, 366, so it would be after this one right here, so I'm gonna do plus then x right here. Yeah, so have that. And then so you see the two thing here, the big difference. This is the slope is like 0.05, and this one is like the slope of like 2 point something. So for sure this outlier is an influential point for this one, so we say this would be yes. Yeah, it make things different. So I submitted, I should have all the answer correct. Okay, so you can go down to copy the question and then try it again. I hope it helped.